Avalanche coin Avax becomes the overwhelming focus with its state-of-the-art Avalanche agreement, mixing verification of work and evidence of stake for fast exchanges and adjustable subnets. Avax stands apart for high throughput, interoperability, and eco-accommodating innovation, denoting its presence in the powerful universe of decentralized finance. Assuming you're searching for Avalanche cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Avalanche Avax will go from here on out, we will examine the previous costs of Avalanche Avax and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally inconceivable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Avalanche outline. Avalanche coin, frequently condensed as Avax, is a decentralized stage that works with the creation and trade of computerized resources and applications. Avalanche coin hangs out in the realm of digital currencies with its imaginative Avalanche agreement, high throughput, and adjustable subnets. As blockchain innovation keeps on developing, Avalanche makes ready for adaptable, energy-productive, and interoperable arrangements. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Avalanche is $34.62 and Avax is right now positioned #12 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Avalanche is 380, 795, 148 with a market cap of $13.85 and 19.54. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Avalanche's cost has shown a decent increment of 272% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Avax was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 31%. Avalanche has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Avalanche Value Forecast Mini Computer. Our Avax Expectation Mini Computer utilizes progressed calculations and AI models break down an immense range of elements, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give an exhaustive forecast of Avalanche. Basically, input your ideal time span and see the likely anticipated worth of Avalanche. Our mini computer will create a thorough rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. We foresee future Avalanche cost expectations. Avax conjecture by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Avalanche. We give our all to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Avax coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Avalanche market cap, Avalanche volume, and barely any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. Avalanche Value Forecast Outline. Avalanche Cost Estimate recommends a chance of Avax exchanging between $63.13 to $76.37 in 2025. Avalanche is right now valued at $34.62 on the lookout. In a bullish situation, Avalanche could outperform the $34.623 mark for 2-year 50, displaying likely vertical energy. There is potential for Avalanche cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $482.83 toward the finish of 2030. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Avalanche in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $23,646 mark. Avalanche Value Forecast 2024. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $43.74 in 2024. The Avalanche cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $50.50 with the typical cost of $45.45 all through 2024. Avalanche Value Forecast 2025. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach at least value worth of $63.13. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $76.37 with the typical worth of $65.40. Avax Value Conjecture for 2026. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $91.75. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $110.29 with the typical exchanging cost of $95.02. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2027. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least worth of $135.62 in 2027. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $157.81 with a typical exchanging cost of $139.42 all through 2027. Avalanche Value Forecast 2028. The cost of one Avalanche is supposed to reach at any rate level of $195.05 in 2028. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $229.65 with the typical cost of $263 all through 2028. Avalanche Value Forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2029 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $286.33. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $339.52 with the typical exchanging cost of $294.35. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2030 the cost of Avalanche is determined to be at around a base worth of $395.65. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a limit of $482.83 with a typical exchanging worth of $407.42 in USD. Avalanche Value Gauge 2031. Avalanche cost is estimated to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $583.12 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $703.26 with the typical gauge cost of $603.49. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least worth of $852.75 in 2032. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1021 with the typical exchanging cost of $876.89 all through 2032. Avalanche Value Forecast 2033. Avalanche cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $1,218 in 2033. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1,471 with the typical conjecture cost of $1,262. Avalanche Value Estimate 240. Understanding business sector patterns and opinions is vital, however feeling can be whimsical. Inspecting current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach $23,646, with a typical exchanging worth of $22,252. The base cost is projected to be around $18,687. Avax Value Conjecture for 2050. Long-haul expectations ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market. Expansion and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key methodologies for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our Avax cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a greatest